In today's video, we're breaking down Storebuild.ai, what it is, what it actually offers, and what the pricing looks like, and whether or not it's worth your time and money if you're just getting started with e-commerce. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've been researching how to launch an online store without dealing with all the tech setup, you've probably come across Storebuild. It promises to help you build a fully functional e-commerce site in minutes just by answering a few questions. But does it really deliver, or is it just another shiny AI tool that sounds better than it performs? In today's video, we're going to walk through how it works, what's included, and most importantly, who it's actually best for and if it's worth your time and money. Let's get into it. So first off, what is Storebuild.ai? Storebuild.ai is an AI-powered website builder made specifically for e-commerce. So unlike traditional platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, where you start with a template and customize every section manually, Storebuild does most of the work for you. You answer just a few questions about your brand, like your niche, style, store name, and product category, and Storebuild uses that info to generate a full e-commerce website in just a few clicks. We're talking homepage, product pages, category pages, contact sections, and even copywriting. It's designed to take away the "where do I even start" feeling and get you something live fast. This is not a platform made for scaling to 7 figures or integrating 50 plus apps. Storebuild is great for speed, simplicity, and getting a store up and running without needing to hire a designer or know how to code. And that's why it's really catching attention, especially for beginners. Now, let's walk through the key features and how they actually help you launch your first store. Number 1, AI-powered generator. As soon as you sign up, you're guided through a short quiz-style setup. You'll fill in a few details like your store name, what you sell, and your brand vibe. Think minimalist, bold, elegant, playful. Once you hit generate, Storebuild creates the store structure, including a homepage layout, product pages with placeholder copy, contact sections, legal pages, category pages if needed. This is so important because it removes the hardest part of launching, the blank screen. Instead of spending hours tweaking a theme or paying someone to design it for you, Storebuild gives you a working site to start with in minutes. Number 2, smart product pages with pre-filled content. Your product pages don't start empty. They come with AI written product descriptions, suggested prices, placeholder images, or mock-ups. If you're using print on demand or dropshipping catalogs, you can also import real products and edit the copy from there. This really matters because writing product descriptions from scratch is something that trips a lot of beginners up. Even if you rewrite them later, having something to start from is a huge time saver and gives you the confidence to publish. Number 3, built-in catalog options depending on your plan. Storebuild gives you access to a pre-built product catalog in niches like fitness, pet supplies, beauty and skincare, home and kitchen, outdoor. You can browse these catalogs and add products directly to your store with mock-ups and descriptions included. If you want to launch a niche store but don't have products yet, this lets you build a demo store or test a concept without needing to source inventory right away. Number 4, clean and simple editing tools. Once your store is generated, you can go in and tweak everything using their built-in editor. You can update text and fonts, upload your own logo, change colors and layouts, reorder or delete sections, add testimonials or new pages. This matters because even though it's AI generated, you still have full control over the look and feel. You're not stuck with a cookie cutter site. Beginners can make changes without feeling lost in a settings panel. Number 5 is hosting, domain, and SSL included. Every Storebuild plan includes hosting, SSL security, and the option to connect your own domain name. There's no separate hosting service to deal with, no complicated DNS settings. Just click publish and your site is live. This matters because most e-commerce platforms require you to buy hosting or connect third-party domains, which can be intimidating if you're not tech savvy. With Storebuild, everything is in one place. Number 6, built-in checkout and Stripe integration. Once your store is ready, you can set up payment processing with Stripe or another provider based on your country. The checkout page is pre-designed and mobile-friendly. You can edit fields like shipping info, tax, and terms, but most of it works out of the box. This is important because no extra setups or plugins are needed. You're ready to sell almost immediately. Number 7, templates and branding sections. Storebuild uses pre-designed sections, but you can still adjust your brand voice, page flow, fonts, and button styles. hero section, footer and navigation, and so much more. If you care about your site feeling branded, not just being functional, this flexibility helps you create something that doesn't just scream, AI made this. Okay, now for the pricing. So StoreBuild is actually completely free. There is zero cost, but you do have to pay for a Shopify store. What I would recommend doing is click our exclusive link down below, and then you can just click build my store for free. Then all you have to do is enter your name, your email, and your phone number. Then all you'll do is follow a few steps, and then you'll be prompted to create your Shopify account. With your Shopify account, they do have a couple of different options I'm going to review quickly, but if you want to check them out in more detail, you can just go ahead and use our link down below. I've left the link to StoreBuild and Shopify, but I would encourage you, if you're serious about building your store, don't create your Shopify account, go through Storebuild.ai, and then let it prompt you to do so. You can go ahead and create it on your own if you want. You'll just have to copy the URL. It's very simple. Okay, so now the different plans and pricing options for Shopify are as follows. So you can actually get a 3-day free trial, and then you'll pay $1 for the first 3 months. And then after that, it will increase to these prices. The plus is a little bit different, but I'll explain in a sec. So starting off with the basic, this is $39 per month after the 3 months. You get access to a full online store. You can sell in person with a phone or card, and card rates are 2.6% plus 10 cents USD. You got 10 inventory locations and easy shipping labels. Then with the Grow plan, this is $105 after the first 3 months. This gets you everything in the basic plan, but the card rates do decrease a bit. You get shipping discounts and insurance, and then 5 staff accounts. Then is the advanced plan. This is, again, after the first 3 months, it's $399 a month. You get everything in the Grow plan, but the card rates do decrease. You get fully integrated shipping, 15 staff accounts, theme customization per market, and enhanced 24/7 chat support. And then lastly is the Plus plan. So you can pay $399 for the first month, and then after that, it's $2,300 a month. You get everything in advance, but the card rates decrease even more. You get 200 inventory locations, fully integrated shipping, unlimited staff accounts, and so much more, like fully customizable, high volume checkout, wholesale B2B, and again, so much more. What's cool about Shopify is it can grow with you. So you can always start with the basic plan, and then as you grow, you can go ahead and upgrade, which again is really cool. And again, to start building out your site, use StoreBuild, which is completely free, and it integrates with Shopify. If you want to check out StoreBuild, again, that link is down below. Okay, so let's break down some of the pros and cons, because let's be honest, no platform is perfect. Now, starting off with the pros, it's very beginner friendly. You don't need to have a tech background. The whole experience is just set up for someone launching their very first store. It's also very fast to launch. So you can literally have a store live in less than an hour. That speed is really hard to match, especially when you're learning as you go. There's also no hosting headache. So everything is including the hosting, security, and even domain support. It's really great for idea testing. So it's great for creating MVP stores, demo shops for clients, or testing new product angles without a big time or money investment. Lastly, the built-in mockups and catalogs. It's so helpful if you don't have your own product photos or inventory yet. It just makes it so much easier to just get started, which is usually the hardest part. Now for the cons. Limited customization. So StoreBuild isn't made for large-scale e-commerce brands. If you need complex apps, bundles, subscriptions, or detailed backend control, this might feel a bit too basic. SEO content and marketing are limited. There's no full blogging engine or advanced SEO tools, so if organic traffic is a big part of your strategy, that's definitely something to consider. AI copy still needs tweaking. So the descriptions are a great starting point, but they're generic. You'll want to rewrite them in your own voice, especially if you're building a brand. So is it worth it for e-commerce beginners? If you're brand new to e-commerce, then yes, 1000%. This tool removes the biggest blockers people face: not knowing how to design a store, not wanting to deal with tech setup, feeling stuck at where do I even start. You can go from idea to live site in a few hours. It's low risk, stress-free, and very beginner friendly. It's also great if you want to build a quick store to test a niche, or are creating a client store and need a fast layout. And even if you want to validate a product concept before investing in a big build out. But if you've already launched a Shopify store, or you are scaling past a few thousand in revenue and need more advanced features, you might outgrow it pretty quickly. So overall, it's best for new store owners, non-tech founders, and product testers who just need help with the starting point. It's not ideal for scale-focused brands, SEO-heavy stores, or those needing deep integrations. That you might just want to go ahead and sign up for Shopify on its own and create from a template. Again, if you want to get started with either of them, I've left the link down below. I do want to note that these are affiliate links, which means we do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. I know launching your first e-commerce store can feel like a mountain. You've probably been watching videos, collecting ideas, and maybe even tried other platforms that felt like way too much. And that's what I love about StoreBuild. It just makes it so easy to just start. And that's what most people need. It's not about having the most custom setup on day one. It's about getting something out into the world, learning from it, and then growing from there. That wraps up this video. This channel is dedicated to helping you grow smarter and faster in e-commerce, whether you're just getting started or leveling up. We're here to guide you every step of the way. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.